What goes best with a leftover piece of chicken first thing in the morning? The tough choice of the morning. What camp dog to put over a leftover piece of chicken I'm going to have for breakfast? Louisiana hot, Camp Dog jalapeno. It's a tough decision. Well, the big decision is made. I'm gonna go with Camp Dog hot sauce. Yeah. If you want to get you some Camp Dog, use my code CBCC, just like a country boy can cook, and get you 20% off your orders. Tell Papa Scott that I said hello. Let's get to breakfast here. Let's wake up my breakfast. Oh yeah. You never know, I might even throw some jalapeno on there before it's done. It's a big old fried chicken breast. You got to get you some of this, boys and girls. Order it straight from Camp Dog. Get you 20% off using my code CBCC. Y'all have a good morning. Wake up and stay warm if you're cold. This hot sauce will do that to you.